We have a 2013 Corey Ness Victory Cross Country Tour Special Edition. I've ridden a lot of Victories, but never ridden the full fairing one. I've also never ridden a Vision. Vision's the big touring Victory. It's got a lot of wild lines. I mean, it's just like they're like, we're not even gonna look at what a motorcycle looks like. We're gonna build our whole own brand new thing, and it's pretty wild looking. This thing just effortlessly cruises. I'm already going 50. It's okay because the speed limit's 60, so I'm not even going the speed limit. But just effortlessly just gets you down the road. It's amazing. Beautiful bike. Definitely a wild color. It looks different outside than it does inside, because when you pull it outside, you're like, holy cow, it's got a lot of flake in that paint, and it just really pops in the sun. I think this bike brand new is in the high 20s, especially since it's the Corey Ness edition. That's why it's got all these cool stuff, the grips and the different wheels and the special paint color and stuff. And this thing just feels real nimble. I could definitely see myself like hitting the Dragon Tail with this. This is definitely a quieter bike, which I don't mind, but you can definitely do mods and make this just as loud as anything else out there.